got my hair up, feeling like an egg. So the other day I went to a art class. I've never been to one before, bar learning art in high school, but I've never done a art class as a adult, and it was really fun and different than what I usually do. So this is the piece that I did. I guess the reason why I'm showing you this is to give you an idea of what inspired me to do this look today, because I'm that narcissistic that I'm doing an art piece based on my own art. So I did that, enjoyed it so much that it has now inspired me to do the same thing on my face, because I just seem to not be able to leave my face alone, it seems. I don't know where I was going with that sentence, but I'm gonna put this back over there. Why is it so blurry? So I think what I'm going to start off with doing is just a standard blue smoky eye, and then I'm going to go in a little bit with some face paints and see what happens. I have the idea of drawing tiny fish on my face, but we'll see how. As you can tell, I've already done a normal standard makeup, drawn in my brows, giving myself a blank-ish canvas, as blank as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna start off with my Colourpop colours, and the first colour that I'm gonna go with is a nice light blue. Please excuse my nails. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of blend it on my eye. I don't know, just put it all of it, just all over. I just go like this. The way that I like to do my smoky eye is by doing lots of tiny little circles like so, and just keep doing this until it's blended in. So once you've, focus on my face. So once you've blended out your light blue eyeshadow, you want to move on to a darker shade, and I'm going to go in with the dark blue shade. It's not the darkest one that I've got, but it's kind of just like a bright dark blue. It's not quite a navy, it's just more of a, the name of this one is called Fine China. The last one was called Moonlit Matte. I'm gonna go in with two brushes, so I'm gonna press into my outer crease with the smaller end and then blend out the fluffy side and pat it in there. Okay, so for my inner corners, I think I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter. Oh, actually, before we do that, I'm actually gonna go in with the same blue colors from before and just do underneath my eye, just to kind of balance out my eyes again. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna do what I said I was gonna do and go in with the highlighter. I'm gonna go in with Marshmallow, this one right here. My nose is itchy. And I'm gonna take a kind of stiffer brush, dot it in there. Maybe like blend it upwards just a tiny amount. I don't want to go too far into the blue. I kind of just want it to be like a pop in the middle of my eye. Just. So the next thing I'm gonna do is slice my eyelashes off. No, I'm gonna put this back in here. It just fell out. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quick. Notice that I'm using the mirror off to the side instead of this, because if I tried it with this, I would most likely pinch my eyelid and then make my eye cry, and then this whole thing would just be ruined. Once you've curled your lashes, you want to go in with some mascara. So you could just leave it like this, you know, just as is. No reason why not to. I think this is a pretty look in itself. But that isn't what I'm doing today. Today, I want tiny fishes on my face. So that is what I'm doing. And now it is tiny fish time. So I've got a plate and I'm just gonna dab on it some, I might just go in with the white paint for now, and we'll see with the orange one. I'm thinking because I have gold as well, we could just do white paint and gold. Let's start off with the white and see what happens. Taking my white paint, blue. Don't need a lot. I think with that, That'll do. I'm gonna go in with a fine brush and do this. Right, so what does the fish look like? Okay, I'm not gonna go for the orange. I'm gonna try and stick some gold on there. So I've got some aloe vera. First of all, I'm gonna wash this brush off, and then I'm gonna work with the aloe vera and the gold leaf and just try and delicately stick some gold leaf in the center of the fishies. Okay, so I've washed this brush and I'm gonna dab some aloe vera on this plate and then see if this works. Maybe just like a complete fail. Who knows? But, oh, that's way too much aloe vera. Well, the good thing about putting too much aloe vera on your plate is that you can just rub it in your hands after, because aloe vera is good for your hands. Okay, so I've dabbed some aloe vera on there, and I'm now going to take a teeny tiny piece and just hopefully it sticks on there. It's stuck! Yay! I'm feeling good, I'm feeling hopeful. So I'm gonna go in with the aloe vera gel on the rest of the fish. Just to finish this off, I'm going to go in with some lip gloss. My e.l.f. Modern Metallic lip gloss. I think it's got that kind of gold undertone to it that I just feel like will work for this. And that's it. That's the final look. Move this mirror out the way. Just get you in nice and close.